must have helped.
10.
Right. And any suggestion you want to give, because prelims examination is coming in just 1 month.
Yes.
Any suggestion you want to give to the students?
Now, the irony here is 3 attempts, no prelims, and then back-to-back clearing 2 prelims. So there was something definitely that worked for me. कि तीसरे अटेम्प्ट बाद जब नहीं हुआ, I realized one thing कि चलो अब थोड़ा note down करते हैं where I'm going wrong. I realized that I had very vague idea of attempting the paper. I started with question number 1, going to question number 100. The first 10 questions are of history. I'm gone because history was my weakest subject. तो इस तरीके से चल रहा था. But after that, what I did was, then second thing, I had no idea about the previous year questions. I used to just go through them like that, कि क्या था क्या नहीं, trying to solve them, which was the biggest blunder I did. And third thing was that I went on reading new things. Like I'll tell you, history was my weakest subject, and history is a subject जिसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा sources मैंने refer किए. It's also because of that fear that might be ये नहीं होगा तो और book पढ़ लेने से हो जाएगा. These were the mistakes that I did. जिसकी वजह से what I changed was, first, to have a very limited resource that I could count on my fingertips. अभी इतना है, कुछ basics 4 NCERT 5 NCERTs हैं, some standard books हैं, कुछ fixed newspapers हैं that I used to follow, not 2, 3, 10, just one newspaper, but consistently daily. ठीक है? So this is how I used to follow for my prelim. Second thing, my previous year questions became my mantra. Like I am reading preamble, I need to see previous year question, not just of prelims, but also of mains. Because in mains at times the dimensions they cover become a question for prelims in the upcoming years. That is what I have observed. So previous year questions का analysis, I also like tell this to my students कि भाई 2013 onwards तो करो. उसके पहले का नहीं हो रहा है, nothing to worry about. Just go 2013 onwards and do it properly. So previous year questions were something. And third was mocks. अब mocks को कैसे लेना है, that has to be a very different thing. It's not something जहाँ आप अपने marks देखो. It's not something जहाँ आप ये चीज़ें देखो कि भाई मेरे कितने scores आ रहे हैं. It is the paper where you check. जो मैंने basic stats पढ़ा था, जो मैंने basics पढ़े थे, क्या वो गलत हो रहे हैं, concepts गलत हो रहे हैं, facts गलत हो रहे हैं, current गलत हो रहा है, and from there I pick up things कि okay, I need to focus more on facts. It means I need to revise more. If my conceptual questions are getting wrong, I need to read it and understand it properly. Current गलत हो रहा है, I need to now pick up a source कि भाई अब ये subject में current गलत हो रहा है, तो I need to follow that process.
So